Current affairs. Current affairs, reading books, reading newspapers, but that will not help much. Okay. In current affairs, now you will do many things, but it will not be helping you in the exam. Okay, so my focus was always on that static part. Okay, using a static part, you can easily score and go up to 120, 130. If you will be focusing too much on current affairs, you will be generally getting into that 60, 70 range. But use current affairs for reading your static portion, because most of the questions which we will be getting from a static one, like economy, modern history, medieval history, okay, geography, they will all be from your current affairs. Okay, science, current affairs. Okay, so current affairs become important to study your static portion. Okay, like in 2017, 2018, this Nirav Modi guy flew out, okay, from India. Okay, and there was a question in 2000 prelims that who was the diamond merchant which came during Shah Jahan's reign. Okay, तो उस टाइम तो किसी को पता नहीं था, है ना, बट एज सुन एज वी केम आउट ना, पेपर में ही लग गया था. ड्यूरिंग दैट पेपर we were looking for that Nirav Modi option, but there was when as soon as we came out, now everyone will be coming ki, as Nirav Modi was in the news, this diamond merchant came in the paper. Similarly, if there is flood in some river, okay, and too much devastation happened, most of the time that river will be in your question paper. Okay, either with its tributary or its origin or length or anything, but that river will be in. If some state is in news, okay, then anything from either their history or geographically important point or their tribal things, society, that will come. Okay, like Manipur issue. Okay, this is many people will be teaching you from starting now onwards, na, that prelims के लिए ये पढ़ लो, but I think in mains ना, they will ask a question on the basis of what are the underlying reasons behind the constant strife between Kuki and Maiti tribes. Okay, this kind of questions, and or what are the reason behind the continuous tensions between the different sects of society in northeastern states of India. Along with that, जैसे अभी न्यूज में ना सब everyone will start talking कि China influence, Myanmar influence, drug influence. Okay, so based on that there will be questions. Current affairs helps in that way. Okay, कि whatever you will read, then if some species comes in news, okay, that is 2-3 years now, it will be asked. So if you read current affairs, read it from one standard newspaper, whatever you follow. Okay, and starting now, okay, like 1 year current affairs everyone will suggest, starting now, na, take any coaching's current affairs booklet if these guys are providing legacy ones. Okay, but when we started out in 2020, our current affairs and other materials were I think none, second to none. Okay, these were the best ones, at least current affairs, na, if you will read. So read your own newspaper. I think coaching guys suggest Hindu. Hindu is good. If someone is comfortable with their own regional language, either Kannada or Hindi or Telugu, whichever newspaper you find comfortable, one regional language and one is Hindu or Indian Express. Indian Express is good for mains. Okay, because they give your on detailed page, na, they will give very large articles on most of the stuff, especially GS2 polity and GS1 geography. Most of the question, and economy GS3, most of the question will be from Indian Express. Okay, if you will find like last year's GS papers, you can go through and then start looking into the news, the same topic. You will see that most of the questions are from explained page of Indian Express. Okay, तो प्रीलिम्स के लिए हिंदू देख लो, करंट अफेयर्स के लिए एक रीजनल कोई देख लो, आइदर हिंदी और तेलुगु और कन्नड़ा वन, एंड फॉर मेंस इंडियन एक्सप्रेस पढ़ना पड़ेगा। लेकिन करंट अफेयर्स बहुत पढ़ना पड़ता है, तो मत पढ़ो अपना, तो मतलब लोड देना।